Officer Campbell, how can I help you?
Somebody just steal me bag, help me please, officer.
And how is it an emergency, ma'am?
I have all of my money, my house key, everything in them, my work things, everything.
So why you make them take your bag?
Me never, me did a walk and them just grab it from me.
Your fault that if you was driving, ma'am, that wouldn't be able to happen. Not for your fault, so you can't drive.
Me can't drive, man. Even my car key then on my bag, ma'am. Please help me, no man, please.
Ma'am, give me your details. All right, I go try help you, but it's not guaranteed, so you gotta get that back.
All right.
You already know Jamaican them tan.
Yeah.
Can you describe this person for me, please?
All right, him tall. It's a he, you know. Him tall.
Right. Tall.
Yeah. Him did have on one mesh vest. One brown pants, one black shoes. He did have him did dread. He did have one rasta hat. In brown. Him did really tall.
Well, under.
In skinny.
In tall.
Yeah, in really tall.
Vest, one brown pants and one black shoes.
Yes, mom. Yes.
And in brown.
Yes. And then look about 25.
Can you tell me the location, please, ma'am?
At Dr. Patrick City next to your tasties him did there.
Really?
That's where it did up. Yeah, that's where it happened.
Ma'am, did this man have a tattoo?
Yeah, man, him did have one on his hand. Yes.
He did have a tattoo on his hand.
Yes, one big one.
You know, say my brother that. What? You know, saying just text me and tell me say you have a new bag for me.
Oh, what?
What? Ma'am, me sorry, you not get back that bag, you know.
What
you not get it back, cause my brother say for me. And you just tell me say I have one heap of money. No, man, you not get that bag. How car you drive? You say you have car key in there. How car you drive? Girl, not pan me. She not get that back. What? My brother get me something good.